Hi guys and welcome to Infamous 5. Before I start off with my topic, I would like to welcome Adnan! Clapping! We have the fifth part of that.
Why is this table empty?
What, you want us to serve you with
It's
food?
not empty, it's so dirty man, look at it. पहले कल के खाने का पता नहीं कुछ पड़ा.
Okay, getting back.
चाय होनी चाहिए, फूल होने चाहिए.
Call James.
You ditched us for quite some episodes, no? So we don't.
Because you guys are getting very boring.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, man.
Okay,
don't start.
Too technical and बड़ी philosophical.
But आज का जो topic है ना हमारा, वो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा interest है. Like serious interest in that topic. Which is basically smuggling of drugs. Adnan!
Bhago. Smuggling of drugs. I think that's an excellent business, by the way.
Okay.
It is a good business of earning.
It has lots of money.
You get a lot of money.
One at a time. I can't understand two people talking at the same time.
I was reading up to write an article, and the profit that illegal drug smuggling trade makes is, I think, 36 trillion per year.
No wonder they don't stop it.
Yeah.
That's why.
देखो यार,
smuggled.
I feel I don't know why there's so much of hangama against drug trade, and I think it should all be legal, all of these drugs.
Amsterdam में है ना?
But you know why is it not?
आप हमारा ये शो बंद कराना चाह रहे हैं? क्या चाह रहे हैं कि हमारे ऑफिस के नीचे आके प्रोटेस्ट? अदनान मकबूल आए.
No,
I've never thought of that.
You see, I'll tell you. Okay,
no, but
But why would you say that?
Listen, you guys invited me. Let me talk.
We didn't
So
invite
you're
you.
like a guest here now.
Yeah, just shut up and listen. Drugs की बात हो रही है ना, so I'm the authority here.
Interesting in that.
So the thing is that they should let drugs be. Okay, drugs are harmless. They only harm one person who's doing it, right?
No,
Yeah.
no,
Our society.
He's more experienced.
no. It's not. It's creating pollution. That is part of
Air
it.
pollution.
That is part of it.
Inside human beings, yes.
No, it's
polluting our
causing.
society.
Okay.
Could you hear the
And-
sound?
No,
Yeah.
you're going wrong here, man.
It's better than smuggling guns, or buying guns, or doing all जो हम लोग ने एक पैकेज भी किया था against human trafficking. Now those are issues. Drugs क्या है यार? I mean, look at the kind of atmosphere we all live in. If we do, I mean, one needs some form of relaxation. All the medications, the Lexotanils क्या चीज़ें हैं यार?
They're all drugs.
Lexotanils are drugs for me, man. I mean, I don't take them, but
Antidepressants.
There's
Lexotanils.
a difference between medicinal drugs and
Oh, bakwas.
But they're still drugs.
Bakwas.
Medicine
Those drugs
are
are
count
for
as
your
drugs.
benefit. These
No,
drugs are not for your
do
benefit.
marijuana.
These drugs are allowed
Marijuana
if
is a
it's
drug
doing
to
you
get.
some good.
No, marijuana is a drug to get smuggled. It's illegal, but it is used for medical uses.
This
In
is-
It is only allowed for medical.
So that's why
uses.
all medicines
not bad
are
when
called
it's-
drugs.
when
You know that, right?
I know
तो
that,
डॉक्टर
but
ने
there
दिया
is
तो
a difference.
लीगल है, खुद
डॉक्टर
लिया
ने
तो
दिया
illegal
कि
है.
आपको
There's
इससे
a, I
ज़रूरत
agree
है.
with Malia. There's a difference between the two drugs that you guys are talking about.
It's the
किसी
same
ने
drug.
नहीं बोला कि आप Lexotanil फालतू में ले लो या आप Xanax फालतू में ले लो.
वो अलग बात है कि as a nation हम हर yeah
How
we do
many
abuse
people,
such
elder
medicine.
people you know who are taking Lexotanils and on normal basis?
That's on
I
you,
know
na?
young children who are doing it. I don't know any elders who are.
Oh.
Actually. I barely know any elders who.
I think about 80% of all the elder generation is on drugs.
But that's because
For
they
me-
get it so easy. You're not supposed to get it without a prescription from a doctor.
यार पाकिस्तान में खुदा
That's
के
exactly
वास्ते.
it. ना तो वो drugs की
Okay,
गलती थोड़ी है, तो पाकिस्तान में
even
law
in states,
enforcement
man.
Not on the topic.
It's easy to get them in states. It's easy to
I
get
don't
them.
know,
You're
yeah.
going there, you will find out yourself.
There was another medicine,
Okay.
retinol.
I really wanted to try that, by the way, for studies.
देखो.
That's
So,
a performance enhancing
these-
drug.
So you
these
just
Not that it
prove
would be right,
you just
but-
prove your point wrong because you want to try
I
it.
said I would want to do something wrong, but I never said it was right.
No, but I think drug is basically considered as a slow poison, right?
No, but these are drugs. These medications are
These are
drugs.
not drugs,
Of
These
Adnan.
are drugs.
No,
All
they're not
medicines
drugs.
are
harmful.
They are
Even a
drugs.
pan
But they're not
कभी
the-
आज तक
yeah.
तुमने सुना है कभी आज से सुना है चर्सी को मरते हुए ड्रग चर्स पीते
Yeah.
हुए
क्यों नहीं
किसको
सुना?
सुना है?
Heroin
I've
overdose,
heard of
cocaine
it.
overdose,
किसको सुना है?
overdose, yeah.
All your
Dude,
celebrities.
आप पानी भी ज्यादा पियोगे मर
Half of
जाओगे
your Hollywood
पानी भी ज्यादा पियोगे मर
no,
जाओगे
half of your Hollywood celebrities die because of drug abuse.
Overdose.
Okay, no, and
That's acting.
Those.
So
You know the greatest
Still a
creator.
dose.
Listen,
It's still a
let
dose,
me give them a
man.
little
It's
more
still
of
a
a
dose.
backhand.
Yeah.
Hold on.
It's a bad dose. Even for acting, it's a bad
Oh, no,
dose.
listen,
इनको-
Adnan, you can't say
Oh,
drug
सुनो तो
is
सही.
good.
You know what?
Can't say.
Okay, I'll give you some examples. Star Wars किसी ने देखी है?
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what these people are all on?
सही है.
No, सही क्या है यार?
No, but
No, hold on. नहीं, सबर तो करो.
They are-
Don't defend.
I will defend my point with the movie. बोलो.
वो लोग क्या करते हैं ये लोग सारे जो हैं डायरेक्टर they're all in LSD.
सही है.
I don't know.
Say, chalo, okay.
How am I supposed to know?
Bullshit, you don't know. You know everything. LSD.
Interesting.
LSD. They're all on LSD, and you know what these guys say? Ke we're going to put our kids on LSD as well. You know why?
What is that?
LSD
So they
is
go in that frame of mind where they start.
it screws up your mind
Is
basically.
it acid, right?
It's acid, yeah. If taken in proper quantity, like you take medications like Zotanil and all that rubbish, if it's taken in proper quantity, it doesn't do anything to you. 90% of all our bus drivers, all our transport people,
They are
all our
drugs.
pilots,
Everybody
everybody
let me
is
give
chewing
him a-
tobacco
no.
or having tobacco.
I was next.
True.
And
Let
they
me-
need it. If they won't do it, they will ram you into a
Yeah.
wall and say, "Oh my God, man!" I'm
Okay, no, let me
Some
no,
people
no,
can, for
I want to
example,
talk.
when it's alcohol, if you take it in a
Alcohol is not a drug.
I know, but if you take it's an intoxicant, right? If you take it in a small quantity, some people can control it, while someone else who would take it in the
That's
same
your
quantity
tolerance
will
level.
not be able to control
That's
it.
up to your tolerance
Similar
level.
with drugs, when some people can control a small quantity, some people can't. And over here, people don't know when to stop and when not to stop, which is why I think it is
People
also illegal
everywhere.
and
You know the
against
most
the religion.
obnoxious people are the Americans. You don't want to go to the bar with them. You don't want to hang out doing drugs with them because they are the most obnoxious lot.
That's
Okay,
exactly
they don't know
the
how to
point,
stop.
No? That's the point.
I was gonna make a point कि मतलब an overdose
And
of
they're my
drugs
best
is
friends, by the
harmful.
way.
The what?
They're my best friends, the Americans, man. All
If
my
an
Americans,
overdose
it's so cool.
of drugs is harmful, then isn't an overdose of alcohol also harmful?
It
तो
is.
जिस माशरे में वहाँ हो रही है अल्कोहल पी जा रही है तो वहाँ पे
हमारे माशरे में पी जा रही है वैसे खुली आम.
Exactly.
Legally it's been
So is
sold.
drugs,
Alcohol-
Adnan.
alcohol
I
भी
mean,
ban करनी
how many
चाहिए.
people around you, especially of our age group, are involved into drugs? I'm sure our
90,
parents weren't.
70, 90.
But if you look around now in all the cafes, or if you go to these parties, the so-called parties,
Drugs
what
are
is
there.
happening there? You go to beach, you have drugs and
You know how
alcohol.
much is
You go
a-
to parties, you have drug and alcohol. You have friend hangout. The only two purposes all these events exist is because of alcohol and
Actually,
drugs,
three, there's
You know
another
heroin कितने की मिलती है?
which I don't want to say.
You know
The
that?
other thing
एक
that
पूरी
we're
हेरोइन
Oh
कितने की
God,
मिलती
let's
है?
just leave that out of it.
हेरोइन की पूरी कितने की मिलती होगी यहाँ पे? फिर भी take guess. Heroin is the big drug, right?
No, but let me go. I want to go back to your
That's
point. No,
too
I
picky.
want to.
100 rupees.
See, our cameraman knows.
I want to. I
100
want.
रुपए की मिलती
तो
है.
मतलब drug इतना easily available है,
100
that is
रुपए
why
की
people are.
heroin
You know why is it
Yeah.
easily available? People are doing drug business because जिसको पैसा दिखता है ना, no one will go.
So there you go.
पुलिस का डर है,
My
उसका डर है.
whole जो आप लोगों ने पूरी शपील दे दी ना कि
नहीं,
drug
नहीं,
ये
just-
है,
just-
drug वो
one
है.
more
Yeah,
thing.
but I
One more
wanna-
thing,
I wanna
it's a very
prove
interesting
him
fact,
wrong.
by the way. Anywhere you travel in the world with whatever kind of drug, you can get out. If you get caught, ठीक है, they'll put you in jail for a year or so. You can get out. The only drug which you get, why are you shaking your head?
Thailand, Singapore, and another.
Saudi
country get
Arabia.
मैं
drugs.
ज्यादातर
Saudi Arabia, man.
मैं
Islamic
लिबरेटेड
countries
कंट्रीज की
right
बात
away.
कर रहा हूँ. मैं लिबरेटेड कंट्रीज की बात कर रहा हूँ. लेकिन जहाँ आप कोकेन के साथ पकड़े जाते हो ना, that's even in Amsterdam, cocaine is the only drug. If you get caught with it, you are in deep trouble because cocaine is the only drug where there is a lot of money to be made. And if a guy is carrying cocaine, that means he's paid about. कितने की आती है राजू इतनी सी कोकेन यार? 7-8 हज़ार रुपए की आती है ना? 25,000 की what 10 sniffs?
Whoa.
10 sniffs or 20. So mean that the guy is spending that much. Where is he getting from? That's where the drug smugglers are. So all around the world वो सिर्फ कोकेन जो होते हैं ना उसको वो लोग ज़्यादा पकड़ते हैं.
No, but
Hello,
listen,
why?
I want to.
चरसों के साथ तो क्या करते हैं? चरसे पकड़ते हैं और यूं करके जला देते हैं, खुद सूंघना शुरू कर देते हैं बैठ के सारे पुलिस वाले. फिर 5 दिन सोते रहते हैं उसी लोकेशन पे. और राजू माथुन करता है फिर इस बात पे. हाय क्या कर रहे हो? नीचे लाओ. हाय क्या करती है?
हमें दे देते.
क्या कर रहे हो? ये हाय ये होता रहता है ना. फिर पूरा महीना शौक में गुजरता
But
है.
listen, I want to go. I want to go back to your Star Wars wala point. You're saying they made a good movie because of drugs. No, because of the drugs, they're making a good movie. That's what you're trying to
Yeah,
say.
they are.
There are other also movies. Who proves it that they're all taking drugs?
Yeah, dude.
Not all of them.
Come on.
Listen, I think,
Please grow up. I
okay,
think I'm
I
in the
guess
wrong-
this is a non-stop
No.
argument. This is a non-stop argument, but I guess
But it's not over
Topic
yet.
whatever
बदल दिया.
reasons are, आप drugs.
Beatles. एक सेकंड.
नहीं, नहीं,
Beatles.
सब इनकी ऐसी कैसी यार?
Beatles.
Beatles का नाम सुने?
Nah, they're all in drugs. I know that.
No, Beatles. They were playing music for a long time. You know when they really became famous?
After they started having acid.
After John, yeah. They came out with an album called It's a Hard Day's Night.
Have you heard of Revolution 9?
It's a Hard Day's Night.
Revolution
And that's when they came out big.
Have you heard of
One
Revolution 9?
second, you remember the Backstreet Boys?
I don't watch
Whatever,
boys.
I'm sure there are a lot of people
I don't
who
know
do.
that sick
They
gay
used
taste.
to sing awesome songs.
They
Pop
never sang
genre,
awesome songs.
Well, at least our age group used to
Okay.
have them, but the group broke
Keep
up
it to the
because
girls.
one of
Keep
the
it to the
guys
girls.
became addicted to drugs. and that
What's
was
his
when the
name?
group broke
Again,
up.
what's his name?
I don't remember everyone's name.
Aage bhi
He
chalo na.
was the guy,
He became the big guy
piano
after that.
something.
All right. On this note,
He's
broke up
the
and-
on this note,
Actually नहीं इसको मैं
Yeah, but
बताऊं
it's
ना।
true. It's true.
Backstreet Boys खत्म हुआ और जो
Forget
बंदा
Backstreet
drugs में
Boys.
घुसा ना, he's the number one out. सारे उसके number
No,
one singles
forget
आते हैं.
Backstreet
Nobody
Boys.
remembers
What's his
Backstreet
name?
Boys.
I don't remember. Who doesn't remember Backstreet Boys?
Listen,
Who doesn't?
listen.
I'm talking about the main vocalist.
Leave
तो
Backstreet
भागे ना मारो
Boys.
यार.
Main
Listen.
vocalist,
All right.
No, I want to make a point. I want to make a point.
चर्सी करीना मर्सी से
Leave Backstreet Boys.
Why?
But all like the famous singers now, all the rappers right now, they all take drugs.
okay.
That doesn't
And-
make it.
Okay.
But they're
All
famous
right.
So
and they
what?
make
Let
good
me
music
finish
out of
this
it.
episode. This is like a non-stop argument.
finish in a
No,
positive
I
note.
will now finish it.
Finish in a
No, you
positive
guys have
note.
all said enough.
Drugs are not good for you.
Good.
Raju, can you show me your
Good for
face?
that.
Don't take drugs at home.
What? Face में शक्ल दिखानी है.
This will happen.
No. On this note, we're going to end this topic. Regardless of all the argument that is had, I stayed quiet because I still feel you can be
No, drugs
creative,
is wrong.
you can be successful, you can get a lot of money, but drug is wrong. You are killing yourself and you're killing others around you.
Kill the
I just
smugglers.
think this argument
Kill
should
the
have
Say no
smugglers.
to drugs.
Say no
Alright?
to drugs.
Yeah. On this note,
Say
we'll
yes
sign
to
off.
guns.
Bye.
Hypocrites.